RO anti-log, uncle-log, or, sorry, middle-class brigade. XYLI with just 35,000 salary, running a house of 5 people, school fees, electricity bill, rent, groceries, and still somehow 5,000 gets saved every month. Unbehan. This isn't some rich family. This is Kiran's story. First wife, first explosion. The 7 Jin 7 Biwi series starts now. Right now, Funny Fun Urdu Stories presents 7 Jin 7 Biwi Episode 1 title, When Husband's Salary Was Only 35,000, starring Kiran. The budget queen. Today you'll learn how to turn a small budget into a big one. Location, a tiny 2-room flat in Karachi. Time, 5 a.m. sharp. Heroine, our very own Kiran. Age, 32 years. Special superpower, turns 35,000 into 50,000. Now watch how her morning begins. Kiran talking to herself. Today's plan to sell the fridge is also ready. Let's go, Ustad. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. The call to prayer hasn't even sounded in the streets of Karachi yet, and in a 2-room flat, Kiran has already gotten out of bed to conquer her world. Kiran slowly moves the blanket aside. Her husband Asif is still snoring. She turns on her phone's torch, takes out a small diary. On the first page, written in big letters, is Target March, 5,000 savings. Inshallah. Kiran smiles to herself. Asif won't even know. The fridge is leaving today. In the torchlight, Kiran opens the fridge. Inside, only half a milk packet, 2 eggs, and 1 onion. She gives the fridge an affectionate pat. Son, your wedding is fixed today. The OLC's uncle is coming. Phone notification. OLX Chad Boji. 12,000 cash ready. I'll take it at 7. Kiran does a silent, 2-handed yes. Then stops herself. Oh, quietly. If Asif wakes up, the plan is off. The 2 kids, 7-year-old Ali plus 5-year-old Zanaba, are still sleeping. Kiran sits next to them, kisses their foreheads, and whispers, "From today, your tuition is over. Now Mom will teach you herself. And the 8,000 we spent, we'll put that into savings." Asif, rubbing his eyes, comes into the kitchen, opens the fridge. Empty. Asif. Kiran, what is this? Even a dog wouldn't have left it this empty. Kiran comes into the kitchen, perfectly calm. Easy there, sir. A new fridge is coming. Sold the old one for 12,000. Asif, shock. 12,000. We bought it for 28 just 3 years ago. Kiran smiles. Back then, we bought it for 28. Today, we sold it for 12. Meaning we got 3 years of rent absolutely free. Right? Asif's mouth hangs open. Kiran is making chicken biryani with just 50 rupees worth of ingredients. Asif stands to the side, amazed. That's last night's leftover rice, and there were only 2 pieces of chicken. Kiran, 2 pieces plus soya plus a little ingenuity equals biryani for 6 people. Your friends at the office can eat too. You'll be the hero. Scene 6. Mother-in-law's entry. 8 a.m. Mother-in-law walks in, heads straight to the fridge. Empty. Mother-in-law shrieks, "Oh God! Has the daughter-in-law sold the house?" Kiran comes and gently takes her mother-in-law's hand. "Emmy, please. From today, we're running the house in a new way. You'll just watch for 7 days. Then you'll make the list yourself. Mother-in-law, 7 days? I'll have a stroke today." So that was the first 3 hours of the morning. Now, what happened next? How did Kiran turn 35,000 into 50,000? Did the mother-in-law beg for forgiveness in tears or not? And what did Asif say at the office after eating the beer? Asif, from outside. "Kiran, you've finished all the biryani at the office today. All my friends were asking if my wife orders from a 5-star hotel." Kiran opens the door, smiling and greeting him. "Welcome home, my dear. I have a surprise for you today." Asif comes inside. The house is spotlessly clean, The kids are doing homework at the table, and even his mother is sitting quietly still in shock. Asif, what? What has happened? The house looks like a hotel. Kiran places a small envelope on the table. Kiran, here you go. Today's account. The envelope opens. Inside are 3 1,000 notes and a slip. Written on the slip is, fridge sold. Plus 12,000 tuition stopped. Plus 8,000 monthly saving electricity bill. 1,200 less AC off all morning. Today's expenses. Tres meal equals today's profit. Nueva meal. Asif's hands are trembling. This is 9,000 in one day. Kiran, no sir. That's just today's profit. The real game starts now. The mother-in-law is still crying. Kiran, Ami, why are you crying? Mother-in-law, bait. I've been running the house for 40 years. Today, because of you, it feels like I haven't done anything in my life. Kiran sits next to her mother-in-law, holding her hand. Ami, you ran the house with love. I'm just adding a little bit of planning. Won't you join me too? The mother-in-law laughs through her tears. All right, from tomorrow, I'll sell my old juicer on OLCs too. Everyone laughs. Scene 9 night, 10 p.m. Final twist. Asif and Kiran in the bedroom. Asif, Kiran, tell me the truth. How do you do all this? Kiran takes out a diary. Title, 35,000 to 50,000 plan. She flips a page. Month 1, second hand. Buying selling month 2. Kids YouTube channel month 3. Start home tuitions month 6. Start a small catering business from home. Asif starts to cry with love. I always thought you were just sitting at home. You're a full-fledged CEO. Kiran smiles. Not a CEO, Asif, just a wife who wants her home to be a heaven, even without money. So, friends, that was the story of Kiran, the first wife. Even 35,000 can become 50,000 if the mind is a little sharper and the love is a little greater. Moral of the story. A home becomes heaven, not because of money. It becomes one because a woman there has made up her mind. Tomorrow, a new wife, a new story. Subscribe, hit the bell, or you'll miss tomorrow's trick. Tell us in the comments, can you do something like this too?